Assalamu alaikum children, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. Children, this is your new number concept series book 2. Now open at page number 59. Children, in this page we will do missing numbers. So children, start our work. Which number is this? Yes, 53. What's come after 53? Yes, 5, 4. 54. So children, write here 54. And what's come after 54? Yes, 55. So we will write here 55. 54 and 55 is missing. So we will write here 55. What's come after 55? 56. 56 is here and missing is 57. So we will write here 57. 58 is here. And which number is this? Yes, 28. So what's come after 28? Yes, 29. 29 is missing. So we will write here. And which number is missing? Yes, 30. 30. We will write here 30. 31 is here and 32 is missing. So we will write here 32. 33 is also missing. So we will write here 33. Okay, children, 5. What come after 5? Yes, 6. Because 6 is missing. And 7 is also missing. 8 is here. And 9 is missing. 10 is also missing. So we will write here 10. Okay, children, 33. Which number is this? 33. What's come after 33? 3, 4, 34. And 35 is here. 36 is missing. So we will write here 36. And 37. And 38 is here. Okay, children, you will complete this page at home in the guidance of your parent. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.